Let's know 7 incredible benefits of mango. Number 1. High in antioxidants. Mango is packed with polyphenols, plant compounds that function as antioxidants. Number 2. Improves your immune system. Alongside its high nutrient C and cell reinforcement content. A solitary 1-cup serving of mango likewise has about 10% of our day-by-day portion of nutrient A. Another must-need to help a sound-resistant framework. Number 3. May support heart health. Mango contains supplements that help a solid heart. Number 4. Gives skin a healthy glow. Eating mango is a great way to improve your skin from the inside out. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, which promotes healthy hair and skin. Number 5. May improve digestive health. Mango has a few characteristics that make it fantastic for stomach-related well-being. Number 6. May support eye health. Mango is loaded with supplements that help support solid eyes. Number 7. May help reduce cancer risk. It will help you a lot to reduce cancer risk.